Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach the best AI generator for programmers. So that is ChatGPT's Codex 2.0. So let me check Codex 2.0. Just type on it 2.0. So this one for the OpenAI. This is the OpenAI, which means this is the ChatGPT's Codex. Okay. So this one, how can you use it? So this is one you will be able to simply configure into your uh, VSCode editor. Simple. So I've already configured. You will be able to see this one here. Okay. So how do we this is ChatGPT 5 Codex here? You will be able to generate the codings by ChatGPT 5. It's very powerful. Okay. If if you buy a ChatGPT premium version, you will be able to do this best coding for here. Okay, it's very best things for the codex. Okay, those who wants to be a programming, we will be able to. This is very best assistant for the programming. Okay, so very powerful tool for asking the doubts and clear the solution and all. Very simple. Okay, so this is the tool I am recommended. Okay, so this is the tool. Okay, this ChatGPT's Codex. So here, what you are going to do is here first you have to how to install it. Go to the extensions tab of the ChatGPT. Sorry, VS Code editor. You have to type on it Codex 2.0, 2.0. Okay. If you type on it, there are various. The same name consists of there are many tools here. You can codex. So here, how can you identify the correct one? You can identify by the via the icon. Okay, this is the icon. Okay, this is the icon. This is the OpenAI. So this OpenAI icon is this is brought by ChatGPT. So but this is the ChatGPT icon. So OpenAI here. This also OpenAI here. This OpenAI. That's how we can identify. Don't install the same thing. Okay, so this is not that one. Okay, these are different companies. This is the one we have to select. If you click on it, the first time you have click on it, here there is a button which name is install. You click on and install. Okay, so now we don't have a button for install. So here I already installed that one. You click and install it. Okay, after that you can get that tool. Okay, that's the thing. After get the tool, what you're going to do is you have to set the API. So API can set it the things open AI you can set it here OpenAI. Okay, you can go to this link platform openai.com API keys. You just after you log into your ChatGPT account. This is a ChatGPT account I have logged already. ChatGPT accounts. After log it, after that what you are going to do, type it platform openai.com APIs. So you have to create the new API. Okay, the new API you just copy, and what's the API you have created, you just copy it here. Go to here. I'll tell them this API you have to create the new API key here. Okay, that key just copy, and here it asks to paste that relevant key of your codex here. It asks the first time. So that newly created API code, you have to paste it on it here and click activate. Then only it will be activated. What's the doubt you can asking? You have to select the appropriate ChatGPT version over here, and you will be able to ask it. This is the minimal. Low. There are several versions are there. Okay, if you are a premium user, I recommend if you are buy the ChatGPT premium one, that is good choice for you to do the more activities. Okay, so you have to go to the without the free one. If you have go to the premium one, I recommend that too. This tool works very good. Okay, that Codex tool. This is ChatGPT. They are implemented for the programming purpose. Thank you for watching.